In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Asana 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to turn emails into tasks without leaving your inbox, which can really streamline how you manage work and follow-ups. First, open your Asana workspace in your browser and head to the project where you want this connection to apply. Make sure you're logged into the correct Asana account, ideally the one you use with your Gmail, so everything stays in sync. Once your project is open, look towards the top area of the screen for the menu where you can access project options. You'll see an option that brings up the project settings. Go ahead and click on that to open the settings panel. Inside the settings window, you'll see several tabs. Find the tab labeled Apps. This is where Asana keeps all of the integrations and add-ons that work with your project. Click on Apps to switch to that view. On the Apps tab, look for the option to connect Gmail or Google Workspace. You should see a button labeled Connect next to the Asana integration for Gmail. Click on Connect. This will redirect you to the Google Workspace Marketplace page for the Asana add-on. On the Marketplace page, you'll see information about the Asana for Gmail integration. Here, look for the Main Action button that allows you to install or enable the app for your account. Click that button to start the installation process. Next, a Google sign-in or permissions window will appear. Choose the Google account that matches the Gmail inbox you want to connect. If you're already signed in, you might just need to confirm which account to use. Click on the highlighted option to select your account. Google will then show you a permissions summary explaining what access the Asana integration needs, such as reading emails to create tasks. Take a moment to review these details so you're comfortable with what's being granted. When you're ready to proceed, click the highlighted confirmation option. You'll then see a final screen with a button labeled Continue. Click Continue to confirm the connection between Gmail and Asana. This step finalizes the authorization. Once that's done, you should see a confirmation message in the Marketplace window with a button labeled Done. Click Done to close everything out. Your Gmail to Asana connection is now active, and you can start creating and managing Asana tasks directly from your Gmail inbox.